Foreign corporations, stay the hell in your box. Description: This educational video examines the jurisdictional limits imposed on foreign corporations, focusing on their authority, or lack thereof, to impose claims, regulations, or demands outside their legal boundaries. It explores the principles of corporate jurisdiction, sovereignty, and legal standing, emphasizing how individuals and entities can challenge overreach by foreign corporations attempting to assert control beyond their rightful scope. Understanding foreign corporations and jurisdiction. A foreign corporation refers to any company or legal entity conducting business outside the jurisdiction where it was originally incorporated. This term applies to corporations operating in different states or countries from their registration, entities attempting to enforce contracts, claims, or regulations in jurisdictions where they lack legal authority, companies attempting to extend their influence through implied contracts or presumption of authority. Key jurisdictional principles. Territorial limits. A corporation's authority is restricted to the jurisdiction where it is incorporated or has been legally granted permission to operate. Consent-based authority. Without an agreement or contract, foreign corporations cannot unilaterally impose obligations on individuals or businesses outside their lawful reach. Personal jurisdiction requirements. Courts require a substantial connection, minimum contacts, between a corporation and a jurisdiction before they can assert legal authority over a matter. Example application. A New York-based debt collection agency attempts to enforce a claim in Texas without being properly registered to do business there. The debtor challenges the claim by arguing that the corporation has no legal standing in Texas due to lack of corporate authority within that jurisdiction. Keeping foreign corporations in their box. To prevent corporate overreach, individuals and businesses can take proactive steps. Challenge unauthorized claims, demand proof of legal jurisdiction before recognizing or responding to corporate demands. Issue a corporate denial, formally reject the corporation's attempt to assert control over personal or business affairs. Invoke due process protections, demand strict adherence to jurisdictional laws that prevent external corporations from asserting unlawful authority. Example application. A private individual is notified by a foreign corporation, e.g., an out-of-state tax agency or debt collector, demanding payment. Instead of complying, the individual issues a notice of corporate denial, asserting that the company lacks jurisdiction over them and must prove lawful authority before proceeding. Legal and practical implications. Foreign corporations cannot unilaterally impose contracts or obligations outside their jurisdiction. Individuals and businesses must assert jurisdictional limits to prevent legal overreach. Government agencies and regulatory bodies must recognize due process and jurisdictional constraints when dealing with foreign corporate claims. Conclusion. Foreign corporations must stay within their legal boundaries and cannot impose claims, obligations, or jurisdiction where they lack legal standing. By asserting jurisdictional rights, individuals and businesses can challenge unauthorized claims and prevent overreach from entities attempting to operate outside their lawful scope.